नहीं नहीं Today we are going to start a new topic, new system, motor system. So, sensory system, somatosensory, already we have done. You know that the somatosensory systems, there are two pathways. One is fine pathways, another one is the crude pathways. Similarly, in motor pathways or the motor system has also two pathways. One is very fine pathways, that is called lateral corticospinal tract. Another one is the crude pathway, that is called anterior corticospinal tract. That is mediated by anterior corticospinal tract. So now, first of all, now what do you mean by motor system? Mean by motor activity. So any voluntary activity, you know that the voluntary activity, whenever voluntary activity, all are made activity which are made intentionally. That means when you like to intend something, when you like to do something, to perform some event, some work, that is called or some movements is known as motor activity. Motor activity which are made intentionally means if you like, if you wish. So motor control, you know, these are known as all motor movements are voluntary movements, because these can be done voluntarily, right? Under your willed movement, under your wish. Say, suppose for an example, if you want to pick up a chalk, now see, so this is my wish. So I want to pick up the chalk. So what to do? So this type of movement is called the voluntary movement. And voluntary movement which requires first planning, there should be a planning, what you want to do, or what movement you are going to perform. That means the planning. Next, programming, how to execute, and last one is execution. Execution, that is done by the motor command. Motor command means what? Command means key. What do you mean by command? Command কাকে বলে? Command কাকে বলে? The message which is coming from the cortex, higher cortex, whatever message, that is called command, means effector message, so that your muscle movement will take place, muscle movement should take place, right? That is called command. voluntary movement. So before any voluntary movement, so these are the components. First one is there should be a proper planning, there should be a programming, and last one is execution. So that movement should be very proper movement. So to execute any proper movement, these are the components or part of willed movement, voluntary movement. Now let us see all about this is actually the what we may mean to say that what is voluntary control. That is voluntary control. And involuntary, there are certain things that can be done involuntary. Example, reflex. Reflex are involuntary response. Motor response, reflex are also a motor response, effector response due to a sensory signal, due to a sensation, right? So those are also, but not, this is not under your control. So that is involuntary. So that motor execution, that motor movement which is done indirectly, reflexly, without your knowledge, right? So these are the things. Now next, coming to the motor cortex. So you should know the area where from the command actually is coming. What coming from the cortex, cerebral cortex. Now the cerebral cortex, there are areas in cortex which execute any type of voluntary movement. What are the areas? Number one is the primary motor cortex, same as that of somatosensory cortex. What you have seen in somatosensory cortex, what are the areas? S1, S2, S means somatosensory, S1, S2 means 5-7, S1 means 3-1-2. So these are the area of cortex for sensory system. Similarly, for motor, there are areas. The area within the cortex is known as motor cortex, and motor cortex, you should know the location of the motor cortex. Can you remember the somatosensory cortex? Where this cortex located? Within central gyrus, you know, post or pre. Somatosensory cortex location post central gyrus, whereas motor cortex location pre-central gyrus. Okay, pre-central gyrus. Say there is a central gyrus, means elevated part, central gyrus. Right side is post, left side is pre. So pre-central gyrus is actually the area for the motor movement. What are the areas? Same as S1, S2. These are M1, M2. What does it mean? M means motor. M means motor. So M1 means primary motor cortex. M2 is secondary motor cortex. Another association area is supplementary motor area. So supplementary motor area, that also is considered within the motor cortex. So three areas. So what are the, according to Brodmann, primary motor cortex is area 4, our secondary motor cortex M2 is 6 and 8. Where is the location? Frontal lobe, right? Frontal lobe. So area 4, area 6, area 8, these are the location of the motor cortex. So next, coming to the motor homunculus. Homunculus, you know, what is homunculus? Mapping. Your body mapping, the voluntary movement that has been mapped. So on the basis of your lower portion, voluntary movement of legs and whatever, lower and whatever upper, that has been mapped within the precentral gyrus. That is known as motor homunculus. How it has been mapped? Now mapped same as that of somatosensory cortex. The location area has been always upside down. What does it mean? Upside down means what? Upside down. That means yes, lower portion of the body, that has been mapped at the highest, at the highest of the brain, cortex. And facial portion means upper portion, upper, that has been at the lower. Number one. Number two, same as the area based on in somatosensory, you know, the area has been designed on the basis of number of receptors present. Receptor density high, so the area representation will be high. Similarly, the fine movement means very, very accurate movement, precise movement. That area should be low or more or less. For precise movement, say finger movement, playing piano, high, area should be high. Whenever there are any precise movement, that means muscle fiber connections, motor fibers are numerous. And in somatosensory, the receptors are receptors. Here, just opposite, that is, it is descending. That's why motor pathways is always known as descending pathway. Or ascending pathway, sensory, somatosensory, that is ascending pathway, and motor signal or motor command or voluntary movement, that is descending pathway. So, two pathway. So, descending pathway, motor pathway, so as that of somatosensory, it has also, there are very fine pathway, fine precise pathway, and there are very crude pathway. Say, for example, a finger movement, these are very fine or very precise and fine. So, that movement is, there is a different pathway, and the movement of whole body as a gross movement of the axial movement is a axial movement, or movement of the trunk movement, whole trunk, body trunk movement, axial movement, and these movements are very fine or gross. Gross movement means crude movements, and these movements are very precise, means very fine movement. So, fine movement, there is a separate pathway. That pathway is called corticospinal. What do you mean by corticospinal? Cortico, by as name suggests, mean from cortex. It has derived from cortex, corticospinal, and reaching where the spinal cord, respective segment. You know that body also, like dermatome, body has also been on the basis of motor movement, muscles or the area of the body has also, the effector part of the body, means muscles of the body, has been divided into myotomes. Like dermatomes means what? What does it indicate? Means sensory body part which is associated with sensory function. Similarly, the myotome is, myo means muscle, a tome means section. So, division of muscles, part of the body muscles which has also been divided into different segments, and from where, you know, a particular neuron, motor neuron, supply each myotome, isn't it? So, the myotome means muscle, segments of muscles. So, what is pyramidal tract, right? Corticospinal tract, and so corticospinal tract, which refers actually the area from cortex to spinal cord, respective segment. So, which segments it supply? Say lower segment, upper segment. So, on that basis, spinal cord has been grouped. Whatever spinal cord has been classified, or spinal cord has been divided, right? Spinal cord ka segment. So, specific segments supply a specific myotome, right? So, these things. And next one, yes, corticospinal tract, and below the brain, there are also certain structures. Below brain, what are the brain structures present below the cortex, subcortical? What are the structures? So far you know. Bolo ekta, brain stem, midbrain, then pons, then medulla, and then ultimately at the end spinal cord, right? So, and another one is cerebellum. So these are the subcortical structure below the brain, and limbic system also, subcortical limbic system, hippocampus, amygdala. So these are all subcortical structure. Now whatever fibers, whatever motor neurons coming from the subcortical structure are known as extrapyramidal, and from cortical structure are known as pyramidal. Why? Because cortex, so primary cortex M1, in histologically there exists, there are a specific cell types, motor neurons are named as pyramidal cells or pyramidal Bethe cells. Ukrainian scientist Bethe, after his name, this has been known as pyramidal cells. Pyramidal means pyramidal structure, triangular pyramidal structure. That's why it is named as pyramidal. Pyramidal tract on the basis of structures present is known as pyramid. And do you know these motor from primary cortex? These are the longest, motor neuron which starts from cortex and end on the end at the lower segment of the spinal cord. So now you imagine, so one fiber can be 1 meter long, means 3 feet long. A 6 feet height or 5 feet height persons might be having 3 meter long sometimes, means the lowest segment spinal cord, that should be the longest, isn't it? Asce corticospinal will be the longest, and these are myelinated, remember, these are myelinated, diameter is more. So you know, depending on diameter, conduction velocity will be high or less? High. So high conduction velocity. So corticospinal tract, that's why it is very, very rapid and very precise. Whatever coming from corticospinal tract, these are corticospinal tract. Another one is extrapyramidal, means below structure, below the cortex. Whatever subcortical structure, say for example, extrapyramidal tracts, example, pyramidal tract means corticospinal fibers arising from cortex, corticospinal fibers, and for extrapyramidal are many. So subcortical structure, you know, there are a lot of subcortical structure. Say for example, red nucleus, you know that red nucleus. What should be the name of the fibers, motor fibers arising from red nucleus? Red nucleus, rubro. Red means rubro. Rubrospinal from red nucleus. Say from reticular formation in the midbrain, reticular formation. What should be the name of these fibers? Reticulospinal. So rubrospinal, reticulospinals. Any other? Reticulospinal আর কি আছে? Tecto, from tectum, superior colliculus and inferior colliculus, tectum. The fibers are known as tectospinal. So rubrospinal, আর একটা কি বললাম? Tectospinal, rubrospinal, reticulospinal, like that. So these are called extrapyramidal. And extrapyramidal, you know, they are not concerned with precise movement. Which one is concerned with precise movement? Very fine. Corticospinal, cerebroneid, corticospinal tract. So this is associated with very fine movement. And next, coming to the functions of pyramidal tract. Pyramidal tract, what are the functions of pyramidal? Number one, anterior, there are two types. Pyramidal tracts, 90% fibers are known as lateral corticospinal tract, and 10 to 20% fibers are known as anterior corticospinal. Ekta lateral, ekta anterior. One lateral corticospinal tract, another one is anterior corticospinal, 10 to 20%. And anterior corticospinal tract is associated with what type of functions? Anterior, crude or precise? Crude function, crude. এই যে body movement, gross movement, gross. এই যে এটা gross movement, not fine. Fine হচ্ছে এগুলো। এই যে distal part of the limbs are associated with fine movements. এই যে finger, এই যে toes, these are all fine movement. এই যে facial expression, fine movement. Eye movement, fine movement. So these are example of, so one example of what? Fine movement. So fine and crude movement. One is anterior corticospinal, another one is lateral corticospinal tract. So these actually, what I have talked, all whole is CST, corticospinal tract. That means that is associated with bodily movements. But up the head movement, head, face and neck. So those tract is known as motor tract is known as corticobulbar or corticonuclear. Is a facial movement. You know that the somatosensory, আমরা কি করেছি somatosensory? What are the pathways? Somatosensory pathways নাম বলো তো, দুটো somatosensory pathway, একটা বলো, একটা dorsal column medial lemniscus, another one is ALS, anterolateral, that is crude touch pain temperature. Another pathway is DCML, very fine sensitive pathway. Discriminative pathway, discriminative, very fine pathway. Localization where possible, you can exactly locate the position, area. So that's why these are called discriminative pathway. But crude pathway you cannot discriminate. Pain, do you know which viscous pain? Can you exactly locate from which source it's coming? No, because these are very crude pathway. So peripheral pathway is highly localized, but viscous not, right? Motor system or pyramidal tract. Voluntary movement are those which are made intentionally. Intentional movements are planned and executed, and then executed by output of motor command. The motor system consists of, now see, the pathway of the motor system consists of what? The first motor cortex, area of the brain, right? Cortex of the brain, number one. Number two, upper motor neuron. Okay, now let me define what is upper motor and what is lower motor. আমি ওই practical class I am mentioned na reflex, I am mentioned what is upper motor neuron, which are upper motor neuron, and lower motor. What is this? At the spinal cord level, this is what? Eta lower motor neuron. Alpha motor neuron is lower motor neuron. But what is upper motor neuron? The motor neuron which are arising from cortex, M1, M2, supplementary motor area. Actually, supplementary motor area is associated with basal ganglia. The circuit which complete the circuit with basal ganglia, supplementary motor area, SMA, and primary motor area, M1, motor cortex, that complete the circuit with cerebellum. And cerebellum, what specific functions cerebellum can perform? Specifically, coordinated movement, basal ganglia movement, corticospinal movements, all movement, but type. You should mention specifically the type. So cerebellum, which is associated what type of movement? Alternate কি? Rapid alternate, আর ওটাকে কি মুভমেন্ট বলে? এই যে alternate, তো এটা এটাকে কি বলে? এই যে supination pronation alternate, এটাকে বলে coordinated. If you lose coordination, you cannot perform. So that's why cerebellum that complete the circuit with cortex M1 and is concerned with what type of functions? Coordinated movement. Our basal ganglia that complete the circuit with SMA, cortical. Cortex has 3 area I told. One is M1, M2 and SMA. These 3 area made up of cortical neurons, cortex neuron, motor neurons, pyramidal cells, right? These things. Now, এগুলো হচ্ছে whatever structures coming from এই যে motor neuron coming from the cortex or subcortical structure, say for example reticular formation, red nucleus, right? Tectum, cerebellum. So these are all what? These are all extra pyramidal. Or pyramidal ekdom the top of the cortex, primary cortex, M1. So these are pyramidal. Or upper motor neurons. So first order neurons ending on what? First order neurons, then second order neurons, as same as that of the sensories. Sensory you have seen. One is from receptor, first order neurons. Where do they synapse? They synapse at the spinal cord. For ALS, spinal cord. But for dorsal column DCML, they don't cross at the synapse. Instead, dorsal column they reach via dorsal column, posterior column and join the medulla. From medulla, second order neuron starts. Where it ends? It ends at the thalamus, then from thalamus to cortex. So first order, second order, third order. Similarly, if you think it is coming, the origin is cortex or subcortical, whatever. So cortex, so first order neurons, which area? Now there are 3 areas in the cortex. একটা হচ্ছে primary M1, 30% of fibers, motor fibers coming from the primary motor cortex, and 30% are coming from the secondary motor cortex M2. 30% from M1, 30% from M2. M2 which area? Area 4, area 6 and supplementary motor area. These are M2. 30, 30, 60. The remaining 40% are coming from which source? Coming from the somatosensory cortex. Now see that within corticospinal tract, 40% of fibers which arise from the somatosensory cortex. Now question automatically arises. So how sir somatosensory cortex join the motor cortex? What should be the answer? Why somatosensory fibers from somatosensory cortex join the motor cortex? What should be your answer? Any idea? Now you see, all motor movements are not wheeled movements, means are not directly from cortex. There are certain movements that can be guided by environment, means somatosensory, guided by environment. Say for something you are looking, so while juggling, jugglerra ki kore? So they look the position, means distance as well as the ball, whatever, means position of the ball, speed of the balls, range, force and direction, all qualities they look. That means whatever stimulus is, what stimulus? Sensory. So whatever motor movement, the hand movement, that is guided by sensory wing, isn't it? So sensory is also important. That's why 40% fibers that join the motor cortex also. তার মানে একটা exception পেলে তো, you have got not exclusively motor, all motor, means origin not exclusively or all are motor fibers. There are 40% of fibers which are K. Sensory. There are few fibers, 40% fibers joining the motor cortex and forming corticospinal tract for skilled movement, for learning. Sometimes you have to learn motor activity, motor skilled motor movement. Sometimes people getting learned, isn't it? Sometimes getting learned. আমরা কি কিছু কিছু তো শিখি, so ওটা, so that aspect of the sensory is from here, from the pyramidal or corticospinal, that join the pyramidal or the corticospinal. So upper motor neuron, as for definition, while giving definition of upper motor neuron কোনগুলো, what are upper motor neurons? Upper motor বলো আপার মোটর নিউরনস এখানে কোনগুলো, ওই ফার্স্ট অর্ডার নিউরন কামিং ফ্রম M1 M2 supplementary motor area. So these are upper motor neuron ending after decussation. Where do they decussate? এই যে এটা ফার্স্ট অর্ডার নিউরন, where do they decussate? মোটর না spinal, yes, 10% at spinal cord and remaining 90%, 80 to 90% at the medulla. Lateral corticospinal tract means whatever fine movement they decussate, they cross at what level? At the medullary level. 10% they decussate at what level? At the spinal cord, respective spinal cord segment level. So these things, right? So upper motor neuron or lower motor neuron, now clear? It's very important, upper and lower. So motor cortex, M1 and M2 and supplementary motor area forms a motor loop with basal ganglia, and M1 forms a motor loop with cerebellum. Next, this is the area. Now eta ki area? What is this area? Eta postcentral gyrus. And what is this area? This is precentral. Eta hocche central gyrus. Now this side, right side postcentral, somatosensory, and left side what? Precentral gyrus. That means motor cortex. Now see, motor cortex has three different area. One is M1. Now see, this is called postcentral, eta motor. Supplementary motor area. Now location is frontal lobe. Three areas. Now this is M1, primary motor cortex. This is SMA, supplementary motor area, mana M2. This is premotor cortex, motor, premotor, M1, M2 and supplementary motor area. This is the area from where the corticospinal fibers arise. Joto corticospinal fibers arise, but not the extrapyramidal fibers. Extrapyramidal fibers from cortical source? No, subcortical, below that. Mane at the midbrain level, at the pons level, at the pons, upper pons, lower pons, means tegmentum level, right? Superior colliculus, inferior colliculus, at that level. So these are what? Extrapyramidal. Ar eglo pyramidal. এটা হচ্ছে motor homunculus, I told. Now see the facial, facial muscles. Now see, area distribution of the facial muscles are more numerous. Means what? Because facial expression is associated with very fine precise movement, or a facial expression, speech, even speech. So all these are very finer movement. That's why now see the size of the area. Similarly, finger, see the size of the area. Similarly, this arm part, shoulder part, trunk, these are very small size. Means a crude movement associated with very, not any precise movement, very crude movement. That's why size also very less. This is homunculus. Next, pyramidal system for execution of voluntary action of muscle. All muscles should be intact. So voluntary movement, what should be the components? Voluntary movements starting from cortex, what should be the components? Key components ki hobe? Motor cortex e motor movement e first e hocche cerebral cortex, first hocche cortex, right? Second ki second hocche lower motor neuron, and third hocche skeletal muscles. So all work as a unit. Amar muscle movement hobe, muscle are they enough to execute movement? No. So command should be there, na? Command should be there, means motor discharge, electrical action potential, discharge, electrical discharge, stimulation. So from which source? Discharge comes the cortex. Ekdom, directly from cortex. Whatever your means, cortex can translate what? Translate your thoughts into a physical action. Is a physical action, movement. It is a physical action. How it is translated? By cortex. Cortex, your conscious movement, right? So when translated into a physical action, that thing is actually done by the corticospinal pathway, corticospinal tract, and motor cortex, pyramidal tract fibers, lower motor neuron, skeletal muscle. Next, coming to know the pyramidal tract is a origin, course and termination. Now see the pathway. Okay, voluntary versus non-voluntary action. Voluntary actions means when certain movements are associated with your willed movement. Volitional, under your volitional control, your intention, wish to do, wish to perform, that is voluntary. Or involuntary, involuntary means unconscious. So these things is a knee jerk. Knee jerk follows is a stroking of a patellar ligament, is not voluntary action. It is a reflex action. You have done also, you have performed all reflexes. Next, pyramidal tract course. So pyramidal tracts, where is the source? Source is the M1, M2 and supplementary motor area. M1, M2, third is which area? Sensory cortex, S1 and S2. So 40% fibers coming from which area? Is a 31257. 31257. Eta 312 S1, S2 57. Parietal. So 40%. Or M1, M1 theke, M1 30% fibers coming from M1. And M2 and secondary cortex 30%. So 100% fibers, these are the distribution, origin, these are the actually origin. And why this is called pyramidal tract? Why? Because of their shape. Shape ta kemon? এই যে মোটর নিউরনের শেপটা কেমন হবে? এরকম। এরকম শেপটা। এটা হচ্ছে axon, myelinated axon. As because of pyramidal shape, it is called pyramidal tract, right? Next, pyramidal cell, base cell tracts constitute the upper motor neuron. Upper motor neuron. And next, spinal and cranial motor neurons, which innervate muscles constitute the final common pathway. So final common pathway, which pathway is final common pathway? Which neuron? Motor neuron, final common pathway. Alpha motor neuron. ওই যে পড়ালাম না, bulk of the muscles, reflex তো পড়ালাম আগের দিনে। হ্যাঁ, alpha extrafusal, yes, they supply extrafusal muscle, alpha, or gamma supply the intrafusal muscle spindle actually, check, right? So these are the and PT pyramidal tract fibers are only direct link between cerebral cortex and spinal cord. This is directly coming. Now see, this is the এখানে একটা নেই, লাইট নেই, না এই যে এখানে ফেলবো কোনটা, এটা এখানটা ধরে রাখতে হবে এটা। Now see, this is the area, what area? Motor cortex. This is now see the area, fibers coming from motor cortex, এটা হচ্ছে motor cortex, say this is motor cortex, and fibers coming in which fashion, এইভাবে আসে, from this, these are the fibers coming from this. So in which fashion, এটা একটা V shaped structure, passes through internal capsule, V shaped structure, V shaped মানে spreaded, actually spreaded, not assorted. Assort হয়ে গেলে সবগুলো তো মিলে যাবে কলাম, these are কি expanded, মানে fibers are expanded, মানে distributed, so they take the shape of কি radial shape, that's why radial shape, radial, that's why these are called corona radiata. Corona means in circular, corona radiata, in that fashion. So this is the cells, corona radiata. Now see, they pass through the internal capsule, they pass through, these are which order neuron, eta from cortex, directly coming from cortex inward. What type, which order neuron, orderly, first order, because these are descending, তাহলে ওটা ফার্স্ট হবে না, coming down, so they are the first order neuron, directly coming from, similarly for extrapyramidal lower cortex, this will be the first order neuron, so this is first order neuron, also known as upper motor neuron, because they are present at the top of the cortex, at the upper of the cortex, that's why these are upper motor neuron. And you know that the upper motor neuron, they synapse, where they synapse at the alpha motor neuron, means at the spinal cord level, these are called lower motor neuron, so upper this and lower this, clear now, upper lower, so this thing. Now next see, these neurons from passes through internal capsule, ওই যে এটা internal capsule, এটা আবার কি হবে, এটা বেড়ে গেল, এটা কি করে বাড়লো, এটা এইখানে একটা থাকে, সেটা দাবলে লাইটটা জ্বলে। Anyway, now see, first order neurons, now they pass through where, now see, coming ipsilaterally, not passing opposite side, coming unilaterally, so internal capsule, and so first order neuron. Now see, there, what is this, this portion is medulla, so first order neuron, where they cross, which part of the brain they are going to cross, মানে contralateral, going opposite, where, this side, এই যে pyramid, medullary pyramid, that's why it's called decussation, pyramidal decussation, এই যে pyramidal tract decussation, মানে opposite side at the medulla. What percentage of fibers? 90%, 80 to 95% decussate at the medullary level. These are called what? These are called lateral corticospinal tract. Now see, the tract actually is getting down laterally, this is lateral, so lateral corticospinal tract, and joining what? Joining the lower segment of the spinal cord, and from spinal cord, so already they crossed, so at spinal cord they go to the respective muscles, myotome, respective muscles, right? And now see, The first order neurons, they do not decussate at medulla. Where they decussate? They decussate at the level of this. Straight away coming from longest fibers, coming from cortex. And what is this? This is anterior anterior column. This one is anterior column. So anterior corticospinal tract. Now here they synapse at this position and going opposite side. Opposite side. তাহলে একটার হচ্ছে কোথায় 90% fibers they cross at medullary level আর 10% fibers cross at spinal cord level, মানে একদম lower segment, opposite side, right? So this 10%, 90%. And this is called the basal pedunculi. Basis pedunculi means crus cerebri of midbrain. You know the midbrain. Midbrain has anterior peduncle. Anterior, from anterior part there are peduncle known as basal peduncle. Basal pedunculi. When more in number, these are called pedunculi. So now, this crus cerebri, and after crus cerebri they come down to the medullary portion, and at this portion they decussate. Eta hoye gelo medulla, this, and lower portion is the spinal cord segment. So this is the course origin, and it is given in corona radiata. This is what? These are the area, এটা হচ্ছে internal capsule. In between, they move down the internal capsule. Internal capsule, from both sides, internal capsule, they dition down the internal capsule. Function, now pyramidal versus extrapyramidal. Now pyramidal tract, what functions? Now corticospinal and corticobulbar. Corticobulbar, which portion is mediated by corticobulbar? Which movement, which portion? Means head portion. This portion only, corticobulbar or corticonuclear, and remaining portion is corticospinal, right? Corticospinal. Now voluntary control, all voluntary control, and voluntary control of face, head, neck, voluntary control of body. And extrapyramidal is rubrospinal, reticulospinal, vestibular nucleus, vestibulospinal, and tectospinal. What are specific functions for rubrospinal? Is a fine movement, because rubrospinal and pyramidal tract physiologically, functionally cannot be separable. Both are same, because rubrospinal tract, red nucleus, join the corticospinal tract, right? So functionally, lateral corticospinal tract and rubrospinal tract, they are same, functionally same, anatomically different. Rubro, red nucleus, source is red nucleus, here source is cortex. Reticulospinal, the contraction and increase reticulospinal function is medial lateral, see, contraction and increase muscle tone, relaxation and decrease muscle tone. Vestibulospinal, you know that vestibular apparatus, which are concerned with what type of functions? Balance, body balance and equilibrium and posture. At tectospinal, head coordination. Head coordination means reflex function. That is tectospinal, reflex function. Pyramidal tract origin 30, 30, 40. Now say pyramidal base cells, giant cell, the longest cell. Next, PT fibers leaving cortex descend through subcortical structure, corona radiata. Then internal capsule looks like V appearance, occupies genu. Genu mane ki? Which portion is known as genu? Genu mane leg part. Genu, leg part. So that is known as genu, and anterior 2/3 of posterior limb, lentiform nuclei. Actually, these are the part of the basal ganglia. One is lentiform another one is the caudate nucleus. So they pass through caudate and lentiform and join the internal side of the internal capsule. Fibers then descend to crus cerebri of the midbrain, enter pons, further down medulla, PT fibers get assorted and produces an elevation. Further down, lower down the medulla, 80 to 95 fibers cross to opposite side, 80 থেকে 90% cross to opposite side, called motor decussation, called crossed pyramidal tract. On entering spinal cord, descend through lateral funiculus called lateral corticospinal tract, and remaining uncrossed 10 to 20% pyramidal tract fibers descend through anterior corticospinal tract, spinal cord called anterior cortical. These also become crossed to the opposite side of spinal cord. One at the level of motor decussation at the level of medulla, another at the level of spinal cord, motor decussation at the level of respective spinal cord segment. এটা হচ্ছে ওই shape. Histologically, this is the pyramidal cell. It looks like this, pyramidal cells. These are the, now see, these are ascending tracts, these are descending tracts. From descending tracts, now see, what are the tracts, various tracts. Now see, এক একটা করে পড়ো, দেখো, lateral reticulospinal tract, corticospinal tract, rubrospinal tract, lateral medial reticulospinal tract, anterior corticospinal tract, vestibulospinal tract, tectospinal tract. So these are the tracts from where the cortical fibers, pyramidal tracts as well as the extrapyramidal tracts passes down the spinal cord, right? So these are the various tracts, and it is, you know, that it is bilateral. This side also, bilateral. So just try to understand one side, that is, and this side is ascending tract, this side is descending tract. তাহলে কি কি ট্র্যাক্ট গুলো হলো? পিরামিডাল ট্র্যাক্ট, what? নাম্বার 1 বলো একটা, ল্যাটারাল কর্টিকোস্পাইনাল ট্র্যাক্ট। নাম্বার 2 অ্যান্টেরিয়র কর্টিকোস্পাইনাল ট্র্যাক্ট। আচ্ছা, কর্টিকো বালবার, ওটা কর্টিকোস্পাইনাল, কর্টিকো বালবার। फिर corticospinal is anterior, lateral, then rubrospinal, anterior, medial, then tectospinal, then vestibulospinal, then আর কি আছে, tecto, vestibulo, reticulospinal, reticular formation. So these are the descending tracts, also known as what? The motor pathway or pyramidal tract. Now see, direct pyramidal tract, lateral and anterior, or indirect extrapyramidal tract, reticulospinal, vestibulospinal, rubrospinal, tectospinal and tectobulbar. From facial portion, tectobulbar. These are the major descending pathway, pyramidal versus extrapyramidal. So now, pain inhibition mechanism. These are the portions have been left. Number 1 in pain. Now see, এটা আমাকে একদিন পড়াতে হবে। একটা হচ্ছে the unfinished part of pain এর কি আছে, from pain, একটা হচ্ছে central inhibition of pain, আর একটা হচ্ছে getting of pain. mechanism, pain inhibition mechanism. এটা একটা আমার বাকি রইলো, আর এখানে হচ্ছে মোটর পিরামিডাল ট্র্যাক্টে এটার কি অ্যাপ্লাইড পার্ট গুলো, হেমিপ্লেজিয়া, স্ট্রোক এইসব পড়াতে হবে।